Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree centerpiece for you. This is going to be very affordable. So these are the items that I'm going to be using. My foam, I'm going to use a small piece of this. I do have this piece of wood. That's what it looks like. And I have this cute little lantern. How cute is that? The flowers I'm going to be using are these wonderful flowers. They are so beautiful. Now, if I don't use all of them, I will let you know, okay? So first, I'm going to add the greenery. I want to hide this entire area. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add the remaining flowers, and when I'm done, the foam that I can see, I'm just going to add greenery to hide that foam. When you're adding the flowers, you're going to stick it into the foam, and these leaves, you just push it all the way down towards the foam, and this will help hide the foam, okay? Okay, I'm just adding the last flowers in, and then I'm going to display it.